Yeah, they're circling around back to them again. Where do they go? Do they keep going? There they are, right over the trees. See them? Fine, left to right.
I can't see them.
Here they come. Look at it, right over top pond too. See them?
Where the hell is pond?
Straight out. See them going in? Look at them. Come right at us. Come right at us. Oh, there goes one. They're gonna shoot that one. Yep, there they go. They just shot it dead. Here, just get ready. Here they come, here they come, here they come. Here they come. Just wait, just wait. Wait a minute. Hold up, wait a minute. Just wait. Let them circle around. Here they come, right here. Here they come, right here. Yep, wait, just wait, wait, wait. Go ahead. Ah! We killed a couple of them.
Hold on, we got crippled little boy.
Yeah, we do. Here, coming back around. Off my side. Nice shot. Nice shot, John. Hell yeah. Nice shooting, buddy. Nice shooting, buddy. Hell yeah. Hey, man, give me some. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. All right, I'm going to go out and get those birds. I think we got like 5 out of that, I think.
Yeah,
four or 5, something like that. There's 2 dead right here on the water. All right, I'm going to take a couple shells. Nice shooting, John.
Nice shooting.
Beautiful Drake wood duck. All right. Here's one. All right. Yeah, that's a, man, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, right here, right above us, right here, off the back. See right behind us? Wood duck's coming around. Get ready, off my side, get ready off my side. Where are they at? Oh, right off my side. Circle around back. Circle around back. All right, they're straight behind us. I don't see them any. There they go. Oh, they're going right to 2. Oh no, here they come, right at us, off your side. Right out front, get ready. Gonna be right out front. Right out front. Coming off your side, get ready, right here. Wait. Go right there. I killed that one, Dad. 2.
One. Take it.
I'll take it. Yep. I'll take that.
Let him sit.
Yep. That was another nice toll of woodies.
Yeah, it was. All wood ducks.
Yeah, that's all we've shot today is woodies. That's
January.
in January. Yeah, wood ducks in January. And they're not little groups either. They're big groups. We haven't even seen like a teal, a mallard, a black duck, a widgeon. It's all them wood ducks. Oh, here's some too, right at us, right here. Get ready, right out in front of us. Wood ducks again. Hold on, swing it around the back. Right over top of us, get ready. Right out in front of us, get ready. Kill him right there. Kill one, just shoot one. There you go, okay, we're done. That's it. Good shot, John. Good shot. All right, we're done on woodies. Whew. All right, that's a good day.
Positive.
All right,
I'll take it.
I'll take that. There goes another wood duck right there.
Yeah. Well.
Nice shot. You got him? All right, good. All right, we got one more to find.
Yours should be right in line with this.
Yeah, it should be. Just a little bit further out.
Yep.
What is it, a drake?
Yeah.
Nice.